Okay, look, I made it to the falls. And it's very scary. The water's like all over the place. It's coming down from Willimantic, I guess. It was rushing there. Look, it's coming out the sides. It's so high. I don't want to stay too long because I'm really afraid I get caught in a flash flood. I mean, it's awful. Oh, up here, look. Oh, you can't see it. You can't see how high it is. It's like really high. Look at that. Let me see. I'm gonna walk. Oh, look here. See, I'm gonna walk around this way. All I have to do now is drop my phone in the river, and that'll be the end of that. But see, it's going up that building. All right, let me. Don't want to drop it. All right, let's go. There goes Nikki. Look, holy cow! Oh, and it's coming through over there. Wow. All right, I'm gonna go. Nikki, come this way. Let's see. Oh, what's on the other side? Nick. Oh, jeez. Busy. Okay. Okay, this is where I am. Upper Falls Heritage Park. I think this is the one that I see. But, oh my goodness. Oh, okay, I guess I could walk. I'm kind of afraid because this water's coming up fast. But you see, you can go over there somehow. All right, I am gonna do this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's over the banks there. See? Okay, let me take a little walking tour. Nikki, come with me. Nikki, come. Oh, I'm not going down there because there's no fence. But, wait a minute. Nikki! Nikki, come! See, there's a path here. I'm going to try and take it. Come on, Nikki. Nikki, come! Now, how many times am I going to have to say that? But look at, oh dear, dear. I'm going up this way. I'm going to do it. There's my dog, Nikki. Oh, wow. Look, you see it? Rushing river. Look at that over there. It's like going right around. Oh dear. I hope I'm not making a bad decision. Nikki, come this way. This way. Oh my God. Get over here. I need her to fall in the river. That'd be the end of her. Stay with me, baby. This side, over here. This way. There it is. And I am going this way. I don't know where this goes. You see houses up there. Oh, maybe this is somebody's house. I don't know. Look what's there! The train tracks. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, Nikki, I think this is somebody's house. Wait, come here. Whoa. It's a hike to get here. I left my car with the keys and everything in it. Nikki, come here. Oh my God, there's a road there. Nikki, get over here. Well, I don't know. I better get back. This doesn't look like it's going anyplace. The river's down there. Ooh, it's slippery. So I'm on this path. There's the Willimantic River rushing down from Willimantic. And I am on this. There we are. There's train tracks. Oh, they're not flooded over. Okay. You know what? I think I'm gonna go because the water's getting a little high. Nikki, get away. Nikki, let's go in the car. Come on. Okay, so that's it. I'll see if I can find some more falls.